Hi everyone. Today we will learn in this video just Figma trick. Here is a one frame. Can you see it? Suppose you want to need. Here is a duplicate in this frame. So how is possible? Yes, it is possible. Just select this layer and press the Ctrl D. Select and press the Ctrl D. Can you see here is a D got a duplicate, right? It is a one way where, and also I am explaining you how to make second way how to make a duplicate. Just simple select this layer and press the Alt and leave, drag, just drag and leave it. But here is no suppose press Alt and drag, so only make the duplicate only in this place. So we need to here, right, just drag here. Thank you watching this video. If you useful, so like and comment. If you need anything